Thursday, look at Thursday, ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
Let's see if we can figure this problem out, man. P0193 on a Mustang right here. This is beautiful, man. Very beautiful. But AutoZone told me to change some kind of sensor. Pressure sensor, I'm guessing is this one. I'm gonna double check if they gave him the right one. Oh shit, got some grease. Oh yeah, check engine light. Takes a while to start up. So let's see if we can figure it out. Again, beautiful. And push it in good. See? You gotta turn it. It's like a little triangle.
Shit.
No space, man.
No, you don't have too much space. The space is small.
Even like.
Let me find you the long.
Try, let me see. Hold on.
Ooh, there's a pair there.
There you go.
Right?
You gotta get it in now. Now. I don't want to mess with the wires either. See how it's not going in?
No, that's it.
Nah, it gotta clip in.
That's all you go.
No, it gotta clip in. Something.
Let me see the front light. Oh, I thought the front light was there.
Unless it's backwards still. Unless the plug goes on top.
No. Hold.
But,
Let me see.
no, the clip goes back here. So, yeah, I think so.
That's it. It goes there. Only got one way. No can go two way. You know?
Yeah. Right, look.
You wanna get bring the front light?
No, I can see it. It's just, look.
Or you wanna get take it out again?
Right there, look. It's in, but it's not clipped in. Look. Look. Yeah, push it in. It's not in.
That's it. You not got no more.
Tell me sure it's not in.
That's it. You not got no more. Look it.
Oh, I heard something click there. I don't see it. I don't see that it's there.
Yeah.
No, look. It's still moving.
That's it.
No, look. It's no good. I told you. The plug. What we could do is we could take this the blue thing out.
Let me take this out and put it back. That easy.
Conclusion is, y'all, there's definitely a connection into this right now. Let's see. All right, put it back now. I was telling him I want to see if I know what I'm talking about. This looks easy. Little ass belt. Watch it. No, don't look.
Oh, shit.
That's the one underneath. That one, that ratchet broke it too?
Yeah.
A new one?
You change it. You have to put this.
Yeah, you told me. All right.
Start it off.
Let's see. Oh, my fault. Battery. This is a nice car. Got the carbon fiber add-on. I've seen in Goon Squad. They added it to this one. Let's see though. Well, it was taking a while to start up, so. Ooh, there you go. I think that's the problem. I think that's the problem. I don't know what that is that. But anyways, it was taking a while. Like, check engine light is on. We're gonna turn. That's crazy. I wonder if we even recorded the last one. Yeah. 9:24 seconds. Let me finish this up, yeah. One more time. Shit. That's how it's supposed to start up, man. Not take too long. Nice start up. And that code is done. Car's fixed. No more check engine light. Thanks for tuning in.